Methane gas is at least 23 times more potent than CO2 over a 100-year period. Methane gas is at least 72 times more potent than CO2 over a 20-year period. The single largest source of methane today is animal agriculture.
Agriculture is important, particularly for methane. If this can be reduced, it would be quite an efficient and cheap way to mitigate the global warming. Unfortunately, it has been urgent for quite some time, and we have woken up a little bit too late. But really, this is an issue that will require big efforts from mankind and without any additional delay.
The things that individuals can do are helpful, and one of the most helpful is actually vegetarian diet produces much less greenhouse gases than a meat diet.
We have daily more animal breathing, more methane gas, then we will never stop. We will just be more and more trouble, deeper and deeper into trouble. So just stop killing animals, stop raising animals anymore. We don't produce any more methane gas, then it's just the perfect picture.